Okay, so welcome back to my new video on how to do string manipulations using built-in string functions. Okay, so without further ado or further I say, let's go right into the IDE. So I'm already in the IDE. So I'm going to create a new directory called string functions. Okay, so within the string functions, I'm going to create a new file, call it main. Okay, so let me do some imports. Import fmt, and then I'm going to do a side effect imports, and then I'm going to pass in strings. Okay, so I can reference string functions using the shortcut st. Okay, so I'm going to say fmt print, then I'm going to say contains, I'm going to call our st for string shortcut. Then you can see a whole bunch of built-in methods that we can use. Okay, so I'm just going to implement few of them, and then the rest you can explore the rest all by yourself. So I'm going to say contains. So as you can see, we have a string and then a substring. So I'm going to pass in Ghana, and then the substring is going to be an. So if I print this, you see it's true because it contains the letters an. All right, so let's also count the number of A's that are in the word Ghana. Okay, so I'm going to say count. st.count. So I'm going to pass in Ghana, and then I'm going to count the number of the letters A that are in this string called Ghana. All right, so let's print this. See, it found 2 A's. These 2 A's. Let's also print. Let's say we want to convert Ghana to uppercase. So I'm going to call uppercase. I'm going to call st dot to upper, and then I'll pass in Ghana. Okay, so let's do for lowercase as well. Lower case st dot to lower. All right, so let's run this. So you can see the uppercase and then the lowercase. Let's try a few more examples. We want to do split. Okay, we want to split some string. Split. See this, the split takes a string and then a separator. Okay, so let's pass in Ghana. And then we want to separate this by the hyphen. Okay, so let's run this. See, being able to separate this by the hyphen. Okay, so if we put comma, let's see what we got. See, it's not going to work because it didn't find the dash or hyphen symbol, so it was not able to split it. But once we put the hyphen there, it's going to split it for us and put it in this array of strings. All right, so let's also check the length. Let's call it length. Then we want to pass in string dot I think it's just length. So we can pass in Ghana, okay? And it should give us 5. So there are 5 characters in there. So we can also use the repeat if you want to repeat something multiple times. Let's say string dot repeat. We want to repeat Ghana and then the number of counts, the number of times you want to repeat Ghana. Okay, so we can pass in Ghana and then we want to repeat Ghana 5 times. All right, so let's run this. So you see, it's able to, okay, let me do comma here so that you can see it clearly. So you see, been able to repeat Ghana 5 times. We can also use the join function. So we say fmt print, you can say join and then st dot join. So join takes a string array and then a separator. So let's define a string called Ghana, and then let's say USA, and then maybe Russia, and then we want to separate this by, let's say, a hyphen. Okay, so let's run this. You see, we've been able to join these 3 countries by a hyphen. Okay, we could also do a pipe symbol to separate these 3 countries. All right, so this is how you join strings together. Let me see what functionality can we also get. st dots. Let me scroll. See, you can also use the replace a string by some old string, and then a new string. You can also do replace all, split after, split and title. So let's try the to title. To title, let me use Ghana. And then maybe print to title. Okay, so let me run this. Say to title, let me do, okay. So it's print everything in caps. Let me try one more. Last function. You can also trim. Okay, so let's apply the trim. Okay, so let's try a trim. So I'm leaving a space before and after. Okay. So this is the cut set. So let me run this. Okay, so let me print this trim. Yeah, so it's able to remove the trim. Yeah, so that is all I have. Take some time to explore some of these inbuilt functions, string functions. And I think there are more to learn, but I can just give you some few guidelines on these beautiful built-in string functionalities. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below, and then I'll do my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.